everyone, we are back, the Hurricane HQ, and today we have another update on Blizzard Peggy right now as it continues to move east into Indiana State and Ohio. So let's get started. So right now we're looking at the current radar of this system, and wow, there's a lot of heavy rain and heavy snow associated with this system. It looks like to the more northern areas we have a mix between heavy rain and very heavy snow, and to the south we have mainly heavy rain. Now there is very strong winds associated with this system as well. The winds are in excess of 35-mile-per-hour gusts for at least 3 hours in any of the areas with the blizzard warning. Any of the areas in this bright red is in a blizzard warning, which means wind gusts over 35 miles per hour, which will cause blowing snow. And you're probably going to get at least a few inches of snow if you're in that warning. Here's our current satellite of Winter Storm Peggy right now. It is definitely looking decent. There isn't really any convection, which is normal for a winter storm. So, yeah. This is our current water vapor imagery, and as you can see here, definitely a lot of moisture in the air to support heavy rain and heavy snow. And here's our new snow totals. It looks like we can get probably up to 5 or 6 inches at max in some of these areas. Now I would like to thank you for watching, and yeah, just thanks for watching this quick update on Blizzard Peggy. Another one should be later today. Make sure you subscribe on YouTube to the Hurricane HQ and follow us on Twitter for updates on this storm. And have a nice day, the Hurricane HQ.